Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to buy PI tokens on Gate.io. It's very easy to do that. First of all, you have to create and verify your account. You have to visit the Gate.io website and sign up here. First of all, you have to click on the sign up button. Just simply click on the sign up button as you can hear, and now you have to enter the email address and create a password for your logging page, and select the region, and if you have a referral code you can add that as well and accept the terms and condition. After that, you have to complete your KYC verification. Ensure you know your customer KYC verification process for security and compliances. Now after that, you have to log in your account. Go to the get.io. From there, you have to click on the login. Now you have to enter the email address and password which you have entered while you are registering. Now after that, after doing that, you have to, if you have a two-factor authentication enabled, input the verification code sent to your device. Now you have to found your account. Now deposit funds. You can deposit funds using various methods including banking transfer or credit or debit card. Alternatively, you can use Lather USDT for trading. Ensure your account is funded before proceeding to buy PI tokens. Now, step 4 is to navigate to the trading page. Click on the markets from the top navigation bar. Use the search bar to find PI tokens uh, or select the PI USDT trading pairs. Now you have to set your buy order. Select the buy, tap on the trading page, and after that choose your order type: market order, buy at the current market price. If you choose limited order, set a specific price at which you want to buy. Enter the amount of PI tokens you wish to purchase and review your order details. After that, you have to confirm your buy order. Get.io will prompt you to confirm your buy order. Double check all details before clicking confirm to execute the order. Now you have to withdraw your tokens. This is optional. If you wish to withdraw your PI tokens after purchasing, click on the withdraw in the top navigation bar and select PI tokens of USDT. Enter your withdrawal address and confirm the transaction. If this found video helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.